Hi, coming to know about me and Whitney, our journey. Ideally, when I walk into a place, people recognize me, this tall guy standing around. But to Madam, she did not even know that I existed. What did you say about that?
I was concentrating on my work. I wasn't attracted to anyone at work. I wouldn't even think about hooking up at work. So this fellow apparently happened to notice me and I did not. And it all started with one of our friends asking us to come over. She was convincing me to come, and I was like, no. Apparently was a man behind trying to tell her ask her to come out. We were going in the car and we started a conversation. Okay, and he started talking to me and we started talking about topics of interest sense intelligent more topics that had more weightage, not any topics of absolute nonsense. And I was impressed. I'm like, okay, this fellow talks good.
All that's left now is time.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
I, Satveer, take you, Whitney, to be my wife.
I promise to be faithful to you
In good times,
and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
to love you and to honor you.
all the days of my life. Whitney, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
My dear friends, from this moment onwards, Satveer and Whitney are husband and wife.
Whitney and Satveer, they look like the hottest couple that I know in my circle at least. I've known Whitney from the time when she had not even met Satveer. So from that day to till now, I really feel like, yes, the when you say marriages are made in heaven, I truly believe more seeing them as a couple, because I see really, I see Whitney's happiness in her eyes. And she was waiting for someone like the Mr. Right. I think she finally found him, and you can see the happiness that she's very, very, very happy and thanking her stars that she found the Mr. Right of her.
As anyone who is married here will know that marriages is a bond of teamwork. And definitely Satveer and Whitney, that as of I know, is the most beautiful and the strongest team, and definitely going forward, Satveer definitely will wear the trousers in the relationship, but Whitney will be the one who will tell them which one to wear. One magical evening, Geeta invited them, and here we go. Hero ने heroine को पटा लिया.
Satveer, I must tell you, you got a wholesome package. I can assure you, you will never have a dull moment in your life from now on. She's like mix of multiple characters. She's funny, she's calm, she's all over the place, she's a super hottie. It's like basically your life is all fun-filled. I must tell you, you're blessed to have her in your life. It's all about Whitney this, Whitney that. Whitney. I know what I mean by this. You are lucky to have him. And he's one of the most annoyingly amazing person that I know.
Still remember the first time we started dating and it became public into the hotel. My colleague Geeta, she mentioned to me saying that please don't break heart. I said if anyone breaks the heart, it's her, it's not me. And look where I'm standing right here, right now. I asked her to marry me. So that's the short story made shorter. So really love to know that now my best friend is my wife.
Yes, and
And that's
I
all that
absolutely
matters.
love his company.
Thank you.